mom's from the Philippines and I was born there, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing how it's done. Let's get started. As I said earlier, we're going to make lumpia, which is basically the Filipino version of egg rolls. And we are in San Diego, so we went to the Manila grocery store, and this is the version of the lumpia wrappers that they had in our store. They come frozen, just to let you know. I let them defrost, and then you have to peel them apart. And it's usually easier if you peel them all apart first, so that way they're ready once you have everything mixed to start rolling. And it's real easy. You just pull them at the corner and just pull the sheet off. So this package comes with 30, and I think that's usually standard, 30 or 50 in there. And you just stack them up. Sometimes, depending on how long you're going to take, you can take a wet paper towel and put the paper towel on them just to keep them from drying out. The next thing that you can do is you have the option of cooking or not cooking your ground beef. So what I have here is about a pound of cooked ground beef. We're going to mix everything in here together, and then we're going to use just one little egg to bind it all together. In this bowl, I already, instead of using regular cabbage, which I have also, you can take cabbage and you can cut it up, or you can take a shortcut and you can get a coleslaw mix, which already has carrots in it and stuff, and just use that. So I'll take that and just pour it on top. The next thing you'll do is you'll take some celery and just start chopping it up. They don't have to be really small. They're in there really just for some crunch. Next, we'll add some garlic. And this is something that I don't think my mom always put in it, but my husband really likes ginger. So I do add ginger to my lumpia recipe now. And then I have a white or yellow onion. And we'll have the recipe in a link below. So once you get everything in there, crack one egg. A little bit of sesame oil for flavor. And some soy sauce. And just mix it all together. And once you have it completely mixed, you can wash your hands. As you can see, I have one of the wrappers here. I put it on the cutting board diagonally. I also got a bigger cutting board so I have more space, and then I have a bowl of water here that you'll see I'll use in just a moment. I have the mixture, and I'll take a spoonful of the mixture and put it here in this little corner. You can take the corner and just flip it over, pull it back towards you, and then fold both sides in. And then just roll it. And you get close to the end, you have this little tip here. Take a little bit of water and put it on there, and that will help keep it closed together. We'll do another one here. Put it on there diagonally. Spoonful of the mixture. Fold it over. Pull it back towards you. And then fold in the sides. Try and keep it square. So roll. And then at the end, dip a little bit of water to seal it, and keeps it all nice and together. Okay, so now we're ready to fry some up. Heated up the oil. We're going to put them in there. On my stove, I have it on medium, 4 to 5. I'm not sure about yours. Temperatures may vary on different stoves. We'll let them cook for about 1.5 minutes on this side, and we'll flip them in just a minute. All right, it's been about 1.5 minutes. We'll check it. Oh yeah, that's the color you're looking for. And remember, the meat inside is already cooked, so we're just looking for a pretty golden brown on the outside to cook the wrapper. All right, it's been 1.5 minutes. These look done. We'll take them out and put them on the wire rack. That way they can cool off. Alright guys, we're back. They have cooled off, and we are going to cut one open just so you can see what they look like on the inside. Hear that crunch? Yum. So here you go. That's what they look like. By the way, we usually eat ours with a sweet chili sauce. This is the brand that we picked up at the Manila grocery store when we were there. But just so you know, it can be found in regular grocery stores everywhere. I've bought it in Florida when we lived in Chicago, and also here in San Diego. I just haven't picked up this bigger bottle because we were at the store at the time. You just take one, and dip it. Masarap. Just want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you happen to try the recipe, let us know. Comment below, hit like. Thanks.